Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 766, Toeplitz matrix in JavaScript. This is considered an easy problem. This is given an m by n matrix, return true if the matrix is Toeplitz. I think I'm pronouncing that right, Toeplitz. I really have no idea, but anyways. Otherwise, return false. A matrix is Toeplitz if every diagonal from top left to bottom right has the same elements. Okay. So what does that mean? All right, so this is our input, which is a 2D array. And the inner array is representing every row. So, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 9, 5, 1, 2. And so it's Toeplitz if from left to right diagonally we have all the same numbers, right? So these are all 1s, these are all 5s, 9 doesn't have anything to compare itself with, so that doesn't matter. These are all 2s, these are all 3s, 4 is in the same situation as 9. So that's true, okay? Then if we look here, this would have to be a 1 for this to be true. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab this input and move over code pen. Oops. Let's create our function. For now, we're just going to return matrix. And then console.log our function. Let's see what's going on. You should see the matrix in the console. We do. Okay, so what we're going to do is basically we're going to start at this array here. And what we're going to do is for every element, we're going to check every element except for this first, right? Because we don't need to check. So we're going to check above it, right? So we're going to check this element, this element, and this element to see if the array before it, at the index before it, if that number is the same. If it's not, we just immediately return false. We don't need to check this because there is no number that exists in at that index in the previous array. I'm sorry, at that index minus 1, I should say. Okay, so we start here, we check there, it is the same, we keep going, check there, it's the same, go there, check there, it's the same. Then we move to the next array. We start from index 1, we don't need to worry about 9, we don't need to worry about what's index 0. We check there, it's the same, we check there, it's the same. We check there, it's the same, and if we get through all of that and everything's the same, we just return true, right? So that's the default return. Now let's say we had something like, I don't know, let's say this was a 3. Oh, now we can't see the matrix. Okay, let's say we had a 3. We would start here, that's the same. We would get here, that's different. So then we would immediately return false. So that's how this is going to work. Let's change this back to 2. And what we're going to do first is we're going to define our columns. Say that equals matrix at 0 dot length, and then rows is going to equal matrix dot length. Then we can create a nested for loop. We're going to say let I equal, oops, let I equal 1, because we want to start at the first row, or the row at index 1, so it's really the second row. We're going to go as far as rows, right? And then we can do the same thing here with our inner for loop. Same thing, we start at 1 because we don't need the number at index 0. Let j is less than columns, j plus plus. Okay, and now we can simply put in an if statement that checks if the number in the previous array at the previous index, if that's not the same as what we're on, then we return false. So what we say is if matrix I and j does not equal matrix I minus 1, j minus 1, we would return false. Cool. And so since this is true, we get true. Let's change this to a 3 again, and we should see false. Oh, we do. Good. All right, so this should all work in Leetcode, but let's make sure. Paste my code in there. I'm going to format it. I'm going to run my tests. Great. I'm going to go ahead and submit. Fantastic. Although I thought it'd be faster than that. Let's try it one more time. There we go. Cool. All right, so hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please like it. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again real soon.